Morning. Today we're looking at something called time zones. So previously we've learned that 1 degree on Earth is equal to 4 minutes of time. Okay, so we've been able to work out what the theoretical time difference is for a place, but that would get really confusing if every single town in the world had a different time. Say one place was 12:37 and one place was 12:45 and then the next place was 12:56. That'd get really hard to do business. So what we've got is time zones, starting from the prime meridian, okay, right through London, and we have east and west. Okay, so we've got east going this way, and we've got west going that way, and each meridian along here is plus an hour. Now this is a really rough map. In truth, time zones, a lot of countries just kind of pick something that's close enough. China's really weird. They span all the way out here, but they actually have a single time zone, which is weird. But if we have a look, let's have a quick look. This is what we're going to use, and it's what you're going to use in the exam. So, Tokyo, here it is. Let's have a look. It is plus 9 hours. So that means that if it's 12 a.m., so middle of the night in London, then it's going to be 9 a.m. in Tokyo. Okay. In Brisbane, we're plus 10. So midnight London is 10 a.m. Brisbane. And if we have a look over here at San Francisco, they're minus 8. Okay, so if it's midnight in London, then you take away 8 hours and you'll get the time in San Francisco. So what's that? That's midnight is 12, take away 8, come on, get over here, it's going to be 4 in the afternoon. So let's do a couple of questions. What is the difference between the time difference between Auckland and Athens? Okay, well, here we go. Let's write this down. Auckland. I'm going to write down what its time zone is. So let's have a look. Auckland is in New Zealand. It's right here. We'll go up. And it's plus 12. Okay, so plus 12. And Athens. So we go to Athens. Let's have a quick look. Athens is in Greece. We go up, it's plus 2. Okay. Now, I want you to write down the pluses because you'll see why. We're going to work out the time difference between these. Okay, so the difference between these is taking them away. Difference is take away. Okay, so we've got plus 12, take away plus 2. That should be 2. So, plus 12, take away plus 2. Okay. Now, if I have two signs that are different, like here, that turns into take away. So I just have 12 take away 2. So the difference is 10 hours. Okay. Let's try with this one. What is the time difference between Moscow and New York? So we'll write down Moscow. And we'll go and have a look. Moscow is, if we go up, plus 3. Okay. And New York is, if we go to New York, which is here, have a look, it's minus 5. Okay. Now, this is why we're writing the pluses and the minuses. Difference equals positive 3. Oh, that looks really positive 3. Now we're going to put in take away, and remember New York was negative 5, so take away minus 5 two signs that are the same turn into a plus. So we just have 3 plus 5. So the difference is 8 hours. Okay, let's try some more tricky ones. Here we go. It's 5 p.m. Friday in Hobart. What time is it in Mogadishu, capital Somalia? Well, let's write down our two places. Hobart is this. Mogadishu is, so we've got Hobart, which is plus 10, and Mogadishu is plus 3. Okay, so plus 10, plus 3. Difference is plus 10 take plus 3 is going to be 10 take 3, 7 hours. Okay, so it's 5 p.m. Friday, and I need to take 7 hours. Okay, well, 5 p.m. take away 5 is going to bring us back to midday, and then we have 2 left to take off, so we take away 2. That makes it 10 a.m. in Mogadishu on Friday. Okay, so next one. It's 9 a.m. Thursday in Brisbane. Okay, and Brisbane is plus 10, remember that. What time is it in Honolulu? Okay, let's go and have a look. Okay, you might have noticed this weird zigzaggy line. That's the international date line. Okay, so from London, everything this direction is ahead of time. Okay, and everything that direction is behind. Okay, because the sun goes this way across the earth. Okay, so they had to set a kind of a start point for the day, and it's this point, this dotted line here is the start point for the day. It's zigzaggy because there are countries, like these little islands here belong to the US. There's some islands here, okay, and they didn't want to be cut in half by a straight line going through, so it kind of zigzags around some of the islands. But let's have a look. Brisbane, plus 10. Honolulu is up here in minus 10, okay? So let's go minus 10. Okay, so the difference is going to be plus 10, take away minus 10, okay, which is going to be 2 takeaways is a positive, so plus 10, 10 plus 10 is 20 hours difference. Okay, so let's work out what time it is. It's 9 a.m. Thursday. In Brisbane, we need to take away 20 hours. Okay, well 9 a.m. take away 9 will get us back to midnight. And then we have 11 hours to take off. Okay, so we're at midnight, we take away 11 hours. Well, 12 will take us to midday, so 11 will take us to 1 o'clock p.m. But because we went back in time, so we went back past midnight, it's no longer Thursday. It's still Wednesday in Honolulu. Okay, that's it.